Okay, this will be a video chart on Washington Mutual Incorporated, ticker symbol WAMUQ. If you're a longtime follower of the site, you know that we've done this one quite a few times, but rightfully so. It's been a monster and has made big move after big move. What we're looking at here is the weekly chart, and being it's Friday afternoon, thought why not look at just the overall kind of scope of things now that this past week is over. And finally, the chart has had a red week. It's been 3 weeks since that has happened, as you can see here. During this big move, 3 green weeks in a row, went all the way up here, and now has had a red week. But even with the red week, had a nice little bounce as part of it. You can see the price drop down here to this moving average, and then very nice bounce throughout the week. So even though the week was red, it still provided, at least the day traders that is, and kind of short-term swing traders, a nice little green possibility right there. So one question I've gotten from quite a few people is what's going on now that the price is pulled back? Because real quick, this is what the daily chart's looking like. Here's a big move, and now it has been pulling back. But like I said, I want to focus on the weekly chart. And my answer to the people is everything is fine, especially from the longer term perspective. And what makes me kind of say that is, well, not kind of, the reason I say that is this purple line here is the 50-week simple moving average, and this is the level that if the price can remain above there, then these moving averages are going to start to catch up, and the chart's just going to look stronger and stronger in the overall picture. And as you can see, this is exactly where the price bounced off of this past week. Came down here, got right around this 50-week simple moving average, and then that's where kind of the trampoline effect happened right there. And going forward, as long as this moving average here holds, the better and better it'll become over time. So even if it wants to come down here a couple more times, during the next few weeks and bounce around here before heading back up, what that's going to give us is we'd have a set of lows here, we'd have a set of lows here, and then we would then be able to draw the always wanted uptrend line. So that's why it's just important to have higher lows, and ideally a higher low above this moving average would definitely be the best case scenario. Now if this level didn't hold, then you still have some other levels of support from previous highs down here, but I know nobody would want to see it drop all the way back down to the 7-cent range. So up here would definitely be the kind of best case scenario type support level to see hold. In terms of resistance levels, the one here that I'm kind of looking at is this level right here, and the price has broken above it a couple times, has just not been able to close above it. And this is right around the 17-cent level. Where am I getting this from? First, actually, let me change this to red so that everybody can be reminded it's a resistance. But where did I get this from? Well, if we go back here and look through, for a bunch of weeks here, you can see it acted as support, and even if we extend it over here, although not quite, you get the idea. Right around here, there was a lot of times where the price tried to get pushed through it, but it just couldn't, and it just kept getting bounced back up. So no surprise that this is, has been a level where the price has, struggled to close above. But the 17 cents is going to be, the first initial resistance level to get above, and then we'll have, the 20-cent level up here. But one step at a time. Let's first make sure the price continues to go through a healthy consolidation, and then, we can cross those bridges when we get there. And then I just wanted to end on the final note in terms of consolidation. Yes, it was a red week, but check out the volume. It was, less than what the breakout weeks were. And that's exactly what you want to see during sideways or pullback action, is you want to see less volume. So from the volume analysis standpoint, acted just like you would want to see it. And if you don't believe me, just go check any textbook or online site and see what they have to say about consolidation volume. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks down to big board. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was WAMUQ. Thanks for listening, and enjoy your weekends.